Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. I found this car at a sale the other day. It only has 58,000 miles on it, not my normal car, but hardtop convertible 08 Chrysler Sebring. Lanny, you want to go ahead and run the top on it so if the folks can see it working. We put this car through the shop, we fixed everything, put 4 new tires on it. Did we already do the tires, Lanny? 4 new tires, fully serviced, no issues. Top works great. Everything works as it should. Bought this at an auction, but from the individual. So someone that was a friend of the auction had this car. Little old lady. She wanted to sell it, so she took it to the auction, and I ended up buying it from her. But this car is going to be $8,900 for 58,000 original miles. Don't think you can hardly beat that if you're wanting a little convertible runaround car. We've cleaned it, we've detailed it. The top surfaces were faded, so we repainted the hood and the top. Wasn't wrecked or anything like that, just the paint was faded. Lanny, pop out so I can show them the interior. My trusty assistant, Lanny Bowles. Had a little split in the seat on the side here. Most dealers just kind of melt it back together with some plastic. We just sent the seat out and had it back. Brand new panel sewed in right there, so it's not going to crack on you 3 months after you own it. You know, it doesn't cost that much more. The reason people don't fix them right is because, you know, they can have it fixed in 30 minutes versus having the thing sent out for 3 days. So bucket seats, rear seats, power windows, power locks, just a pretty basic old car, but pretty cool car just to run around with on the weekends. You can give me a call anytime. We have financing available even for these older cars. 404-867-5028. Good credit, bad credit. Carfax report is on my website, free of charge. And you can always call me anytime on my cell, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.